रात हो गया और अभी 7:30 हो गया।
ये 5:55 को 6 बजे
कितनी बार पूछूं आपसे? अपडेट दीजिए।
आप सुनो अभी
तो उसके लिए
ऑटो की और 7 बजे
बोलते हो क्या करने का?
मेरी फ्लाइट नहीं है बोल रहा है, 13 घंटे से मेरी फ्लाइट की बात कर रहा है।
एक बार मैं 36 घंटे तो भी कोई जवाब नहीं दिया। ये भाई है, देखो ये भाई मेरे साथ अभी आवाज नहीं निकल रही है।
मेरे को क्यों बोल रहा है?
आपकी फ्लाइट पे नहीं होती बोल रहे भाई।
अरे मेरी 8:30 बजे की फ्लाइट 10 बजे की।
India's busiest airports descended into chaos on Wednesday after Indigo cancelled at least 1,200 flights, triggering long queues, frayed tempers, and thousands of stranded passengers across the country. What began as routine delays quickly spiraled into a nationwide disruption as the airline struggled to cope with new crew rostering rules, acute staffing shortages, and a chain reaction of operational hiccups. Indigo has faced disruptions for several days, but Wednesday marked the breaking point. According to the airline, the crisis stems from a combination of factors, most notably a crew shortage caused by the implementation of new crew rest and duty norms. The carrier also cited technology-related issues, airport congestion, and adverse weather that collectively created a cascading collapse across its network. Meanwhile, flyers across the country erupted in rage as queues at check-in counters in airports lengthened.
First flight that they had given me was at 12:05 a.m. Then they cancelled that flight, put me on a 4:40 a.m. flight, and then they pushed it to 5:20, 5:25, then 6:30, then no update till now.
What are they saying to you?
No update. They're
No
not ready to
update.
give an update. They don't know what is happening. So they said you'll have to wait for it. And they're not even saying that it's cancelled. So if they say it is cancelled, at least we can take some action. We can go back, probably rebook or stay one more day and plan for our trip.
The challenge is the lack of communication. I mean, the ground staff can't solve what the problem is, but if they can communicate properly, that when we are because we're coming and checking every 20 minutes what's happening. If you know we don't have to check for 2 hours, you won't check for 2 hours or decide some alternate course of action.
So the ground staff doesn't have enough information about why the flight is delayed.
Yes, and I think now what has happened is the shift of the ground staff changed. So the ones who were handling before, now you have a new team.
And they are full of energy, but we have lost all the energy after staying here for almost 8 hours. So they finished their